Entrepreneurs, working in the field of accounting has allowed me to be in rooms that I would never be invited into because my tax bracket just wouldn't allow it. My success at that time wouldn't allow it. But it allowed me to see the difference in the way things are done with people with money and the people without money. When you hear the term small business, that term is relative. It's just like saying, oh, that girl is beautiful or that guy is handsome. There will always be somebody who looks better. When you say small business, there will always be another business that they consider small but makes money that you couldn't even fathom. But the difference in any business is always that background. It's always that back office. It's always that accounting team. And being on the accounting team, you get to see everything. You get to see how that person thinks, how that person handles their money, how that company operates. You get to see the structure of the company, understand why they do what they do, and the way they allow the money to be distributed versus being spent. When you just spend, you're doing it anytime, any place, anywhere, no thought. When you are distributing funds, you do it on a cycle. You do it at a consistent time, and you're always watching your cash flow while you're doing it because you never want to drain everything and sit and wait. That's what we tend to do personally. That's why you hear people say living from check to check, because literally by the time the check hits your account, it's already gone. You cannot run a business that way. So when people come to me at tax time saying, oh, I want all the breaks and the things that the rich taxpayers get, the first thing I let them know is that rich people don't look at their money just at the end of the year. They are not shooting or treating their tax return like a gambling or a dice roll or shooting craps. They're not rolling it going, I hope I get a 7, because they've been watching their money all year. They know exactly what they're doing, and they are intentional. They are strategic. And that means that they are planning, so whether their finances are up or whether their finances are down, they have a plan, and it's easy to pivot. It's easy to change. It's either easy to alter when you have a plan. But when you don't have a plan and you don't look at it, every year is a surprise and a crapshoot for you. Sometimes you get a 7, and sometimes you bust out. Isn't that what they call it? So it's up to you. If you want to run your business and move toward building wealth, you're going to be strategic and you're going to need bookkeeping. But if you just want to shoot craps, you get what you get and you won't pitch a fit. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee. Watch, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.